How to get rid of blackheads, easy and effective tips. Blackheads, those tiny dark spots that seem impossible to get rid of. But don't worry, today we're going to show you simple and effective ways to remove blackheads and keep your skin clear. Blackheads form when pores become clogged with excess oil and dead skin cells. When exposed to air, they oxidize and turn black. While they're harmless, they can be annoying. The first step to getting rid of blackheads is keeping your skin clean. Use a gentle, oil-free cleanser twice a day to remove dirt, oil, and makeup. Look for cleansers that contain salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide. Both are known to help unclog pores and prevent blackheads. Exfoliating once or twice a week helps remove dead skin cells that can clog your pores. You can use a chemical exfoliant like AHAs or BHAs or a physical scrub. But remember, be gentle. Over-exfoliating can irritate your skin. Facial steaming helps to open up your pores, making it easier to remove blackheads. Simply boil water, pour it into a bowl, and let the steam rise to your face. Be sure to keep your face at a safe distance to avoid burns. Blackhead removal strips are an easy and quick way to lift blackheads from your nose or chin. Just apply the strip, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then peel it off. The results are often satisfying. If you're struggling with persistent blackheads, it might be time to consult a dermatologist. They can perform extractions safely or recommend stronger treatments like retinoids or chemical peels. With these tips, you can say goodbye to blackheads and hello to clearer, healthier skin. Just remember, consistency is key. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more skincare tips.